Okay guys, it's 5 a.m. in the morning and we're going on an adventure. Today I'm gonna show you how beautiful the Golden Gate Bridge is all over in the fog, and hopefully we're gonna have fog because that's what I'm hoping for. It happened in the last week and I couldn't go there, but today I decided to take a trip. It's an hour and 20 minutes trip to San Francisco from my town, and I can't wait to get there and see if we have that beautiful fog that covers the entire bridge and be able to shoot it and explain it to you. So stay with me, and if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and do, and hit that notification bell to always be notified when I'm putting videos up. And let's go, let's ride. Okay guys, unfortunately I couldn't film much because of the wind and because the mic is not amazing, and I'm filming with my X-T3. Hopefully this will be in focus, but I have no idea. I took a few photos, hopefully they're good. I'm gonna show them to you, and we're gonna talk more in the studio. As you can tell, it's a beautiful sun. I'll tell you more about it. Okay guys, this vlog should be called Go Wonder because I drove around the Golden Gate all the way into the Marine Highlands, and there's so many places that you can shoot. Being this is my first vlog in 2020, it's kind of hard for me to you know, make just a simple route and go follow it. I want to shoot more, I want to go everywhere. It's kind of tough, and I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog more. Like I said, I'm gonna go and talk to you in the studio, but I decided that being that quiet and nice around here, why not telling you more and you know, do something fun. So here is the pro tip. I I just set it up the tripod, and I realized that that is very important for you guys. If you're shooting on, you know, mountains or hills, always set up the tripod with two of the legs in front. It's very important, not because he might fall, but because it gives more stability. And if you can, that will be great. It gives you more comfort, and it also gives you the ability to move the back of the tripod a little bit. So keep that in mind. So now I'm gonna change the lens because we're gonna shoot with 50 to 140. The bridge is a bit too far for the 16 to 55. So I'm gonna put the 70 to 200 basically in full frame and see what we can get out of it. The settings are on the screen right now. As you can tell, I'm shooting 2 seconds, f11, 160 ISO, which means it will give me in bracketing a very sharp photo. Let's get these photos here, and maybe we can move a little bit and choose a different composition. Nonetheless, they look good. So this is pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm shooting with the 50 to 140 at 50mm, which is around 85. But nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope we're gonna have more and more. It's tough with this new wave of this pandemic coming all over us. But nonetheless, I hope I'm gonna get out more and do more for you guys. And having this beautiful area, California is amazing, and I'm hoping to get into the desert soon because there's so many things that you can shoot there. I didn't get much time because we recently moved to California a couple of years ago, and you have much time to travel and, you know, take adventures around this beautiful state. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to put your comments in the box down below. Let me know, what do you feel? How do you shoot in this time, these hard times that we're passing? And where you going? If you're around here in California, maybe you can give me more tips and tricks. And also, don't forget to give these videos a thumbs up. It's super important with the algorithm. And I will definitely see you in a bit.